Dan here with 4x4 Graphics. I got a beautiful 2021 Jeep Gladiator behind me. What we're going to do today is we're going to install some custom lettering, so stay tuned. So Dan's back here. So we've unboxed it. We've got cardboard templates. We have our actual letter kit with a front and back instruction manual. So what you see what's doing here is we're taking the letter templates and we're just following the numbers along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So those cardboard templates will match up to the amount of letters in your custom name. So one of the handy things that you should have on hand is a roll of painter's tape. Either the blue kind or the brown kind that we're using there works just fine. What we're doing here is we're just making a little better bond between the puzzle pieces so it's easier to handle. So the next step that we're gonna do here is prep the surface. What we're using here is a rapid cleaning solution for vinyl applications, but you can use any kind of non-greasy, non-wax cleaner to prep your surface with. Um, do recommend doing a test portion on the vehicle before you actively put it on there. The next step in the process is to use the backup camera as your starting point and work your way from left to right and right to left, getting everything in the right position. This does take two hands, or it's a lot easier with two hands. Someone running the tape measure while we're adjusting the cardboard template. So measuring from the bottom of the tailgate up to the bottom of the template, make sure that you are even across the full width of the tailgate. So what we're doing here is we are just double checking, triple checking to make sure that our measurements are all correct across the full width of the tailgate. So we're done prepping the tailgate. Now we're starting to apply the letters on the back of the tailgate. One of the things we do want to mention is do not second guess yourself. These templates are spot on accurate. So what we're doing is we're just removing the paper backing from the 3M adhesive that's on the back of the letters. We are setting the bottom of the letter into the template and rolling up and towards the tailgate, and you get a perfect fit.